Shilimahemen, my name is Darius, and welcome back to the world that was. Today, I'll be making some very simple grilled fish with dill, based on Elamite cuisine. Much like my Elamite stew from a few months ago, this dish is recorded very fragmentarily, but is described incredibly literally. So, this is going to be a modern reconstruction of how this dish may have been prepared in antiquity. In any case, let's now take a look at the world that was. To begin with, we need to prep our fish. I'm using haddock here because that's what my local fishmonger had, but white fish in general works very well due to the texture of the meat. Catfish would have likely to have been eaten in antiquity, as they were a common fish in the Tigris-Euphrates river system, and can grow to quite a large size. In any case, no matter what kind of meat you use, sprinkle some salt and pepper over each fillet. Flip them over and season the other side. Next, take a few sprigs of dill, roll them into a ball, and mince them up with a knife. Dill was not very common in the cuisine of Sumer, but it seems to have been very common in Elamite recipes, suggesting that this was a cultural divide between palates in the region. In any case, when your dill has been chopped, sprinkle it over your fish. Then, go pour some olive oil into a frying pan. You can also use butter or lard or any other kind of oil, but I'm using olive oil here. Put this over a medium-high heat until the oil starts to shimmer. When the oil's hot, go place your fish into the oil. Leave it to cook untouched for about 4 or 5 minutes, before flipping it over onto the uncooked side. Let the other side cook for another 3 to 4 minutes before taking it off the heat. Serve up with a sprig of dill and dig in. The finished dish is very herbal, and the fish meat is light and flaky. The fish would have likely to have been wrapped in edible leaves like vine or fig leaves before being cooked on the pan, on a grill, or over an open fire. I opted for pan frying the fish here, given that it's an easier method for preparing and cooking fish today, at least for me anyway. Fish would have been a core part of the diet for much of the Near East and other wider populations in antiquity, given how accessible fish is year-round and is a good source of protein. Though records for fish are few and far between, this should not exclude them from the culinary practices of the region. In any case, I hope you all enjoyed this quick look at the world that was. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like on this video and possibly even subscribing to my channel for some more ancient recipes.